Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Okay, we have solved this in equation and in our one of the video uh, in which the solution was shown to you uh, using Excel functions, right? And the answer was calculated right as 4.42, and by all using all these process means the ingredients that make the 49, right? This is the left side or of one argument of the equation, the one part of the equation added into the second part of equation, and it is giving you this, right? And we used here uh, the goal seek function, right, to work out the value of x, right? So, but if we do not, there are other ways of doing it, right? There are other ways. If you make all these things and without using goal seek, also this can be done without the use of X goal seek. Now, how would we do that? So this is a test of our knowledge of VBA, right? So let's go to the VBA, and what we are doing here is that it is before double click event in which it is being certain that you are in the column number 3, that is C, and what? And you are in the row number 1. I'm sorry. I clicked the wrong button. I'm sorry. Okay. So in the row 1 and column 3. So that is C3. If this is where when you do the double click, so what it should do, first it should start from 0, right? And then it should do it until this value of G7 gets 49, right? And what it is going to do in this do while loop, only one statement, that keep adding that many things, right? Right? Okay. So so when you do it, it is going to take a bit of the time, but it will do it without the use of goal seek, right? So this also tell you that this another way of solution is that all you need to do is just double click on it. It will keep adding uh, 0.0001, and it will take you gradually towards the desired result of 49, right? So this is one way, or another way of doing it, that you can use the VBA to solve this problem. And even in the VBA, you can uh, use the goal seek. Instead of you doing the goal seek and entering all this, clicking on this double click, it will take all the parameters automatically into the what if analysis of goal seek, and it will run it. So for this one, you don't have to do much code writing, only do the recording of the macro, and you will have another way. So you have three ways we have told you, which through which you can do these calculations. Uh, there are VBA functions, arithmetic functions in the VBA, which so this has finished in the meantime, right? So the VBA has calculated without the use of goal seek, right? So both these all things are done by the Excel itself, Excel function, and VBA has just focused that as soon as this becomes 49, so the X value will be achieved. So the value of X is 4.42 rounded, and the quiz is, so these are the multiple choice, and you can click on here. Okay, so there are multiple ways of doing it. This is what we intended to tell to our viewers, that there is not a hard and fast rule that what you can do. Yeah, there are plenty of functionalities available within the Excel functions, within the VBA functions, and you have the liberty to use whatever which suits your needs, right? And in this solution in which we have given you, you can speed up the solution, but the more speedy will be the solution, the lesser precision will be there. Okay, so for example, let's start by 0.01. So this will be a quick result. And let's see. Sorry. So what we have to do, double click on it, right? Yeah. So this will be quick and it will come out to the result 4.42 quickly. Why? Because you have uh, grid, means you have lesser precision, right? Uh, and you have reduced the decimal places, right? So the number which you are adding is is a greater one. Whereas by putting 10, and so this will slow down, but it will bring more precise result, right? This will a bit slow down, but it will come up with a more precise solution. And the more you take it, it's the same like Lean Sigma concept, because that how many, uh, how much narrowed uh, and minute is your approach which you want to consider. So, uh, so this is where the precision on you that would cost you the precision, right? Precision. If the result will come quick, but you will be having lesser precision if you compromise on it, right? So what we do here is uh, we we test it that which solution is more suitable for us, right? Since the result is in two decimal places, we can quickly then do the double click on it. So it will come up with your 4.42. In all cases, 4.42 is the right answer. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.